Problem number 7. A solution with a volume of 50 cubic centimeter contains 10 grams of solute. Its density is 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter. What is the percentage concentration by mass of this solution? Let's start by writing down what we know and what we need to calculate in this problem. We know already volume of solution equals 50 cubic centimeter. Mass of solute equals 10 grams. Density D equals 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter. We are looking for percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass of the solution. So from the data in the problem, we can see that we don't have the mass of solution, but we do have volume and density of the solution. How to go from volume to mass based on density? The formula should be used is mass equals D times V. How not to forget this pattern? We don't have to remember it. Just look at the density unit. D gram per cubic centimeter. Gram, so mass. Cubic centimeter, so volume. Therefore, D equals M per V. So when you look at the unit of density and it's given in the problem, you have a ready formula that you can freely transform. D per 1 equals M per V. So 1 times M equals D times V. So M equals D times V. If you need to calculate V, so V equals M per D. Okay, let's go back to our problem. So in our case, we transform formula for M equals D times V. So the mass of the solution will be 1.03 gram per cubic centimeter times 50 cubic centimeters. So equals 51.5 grams. So in our beaker, we have solute 10 grams. And now we know volume of our solution equals 50 cubic centimeters. And mass of our solution equals 51.5 grams. So now we know mass of our solution. Let's solve this problem in two ways, on the base of proportion and on the base of formula. First way, proportion. In 51.5 grams of solution, there is 10 grams of solute. So in 100 grams of solution is X grams of solute. Why 100 grams of solution? Because percentage concentration by mass is the number of grams of the solute in 100 grams of solution. How to calculate X? We calculate X by cross multiplying this proportion. So 51.5 grams times x equals 100 grams times 10 grams. To solve for x, we need to divide both sides by 51.5 grams. So x equals 100 grams times 10 grams over 51.5 grams equals 19.4 grams of solute. And this is our answer for this problem. The percentage concentration by mass of this solution is 19.4% by mass. Why? Because 19.4 grams of solute is 19.4 grams of solute is in 100 grams of solution. Let's solve this problem second way, on the base of formula. So PCM, percentage concentration by mass, percent mass over mass, equals mass of solute over mass of solution and multiplied by 100%, equals mass of solute 10 grams over mass of solution 51.5 grams multiplied by 100% equals 19.4%. Of course, answer is the same, 19.4% by mass. Okay, so we solved this problem in two ways, based on proportion and based on formula. You guys decide which way is easier for you. That's all as far as this problem is concerned. If you like this video, please leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel to be notified about the next videos. I invite you to leave comments. Now we move on to the next problem.